filing jointly but want to see who owes what for specific incomes or deductions. The what if and allocation tools can help you figure it out. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. TurboTax is designed for a combined joint result, but you can get estimates. Use the Tools menu and look for What If or Review features. Some versions allow you to temporarily remove one spouse's income to see its impact. For formal allocation, like for state returns if you live apart, you may need to manually calculate percentages outside of TurboTax and enter allocated amounts. My crucial pro tip: use the Print to PDF feature for a split view. Before you file, print your completed return to a PDF. You can then review the actual forms, like Schedule B for interest income, to see exactly which items are attributed to each spouse based on the forms you entered. It provides clarity within the joint filing framework. How do you and your spouse handle tax planning and responsibility, jointly or separately? For more guides on navigating taxes as a couple, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.